Ready to transform your bathroom into a space you'll truly love? Imagine stepping into a beautifully crafted bathroom, a space that perfectly combines functionality with timeless design. Whether your home is large or small, a century or a few years old, we can bring your vision to life. At Brilliant SA, we take the stress out of renovations. From the very first conversation to the final touches, we'll handle every detail with complete care and transparency. Our team designs and builds with accuracy, creating bespoke bathrooms that reflect your unique style and needs. We understand your time is precious. That's why we manage the logistics, keeping you informed to ensure a smooth, enjoyable experience from start to finish. With award-winning, future-proof designs, we're here delivering results that stand the test of time, all on schedule and on budget. Why wait? Contact us today to request your complimentary consultation.